Well, the sniper is doing sniper stuff. It's not starting. We think it's a fuel pump issue. It got stranded last night, so we're gonna try to start it today where we can see what we're doing. Maybe it just start right up, but it's a troubleshooting thing we do have to attend to because it's not dependable right now. And you know, not having a dependable vehicle sucks. That's a no. Let me crawl under it here. See what we got. Oh, you know, I commented in this, the first video we made of a semi, about this fuel pump placement was questionable. That it's like, I don't know, 5 foot on the damn thing. Try it now, Matt. Oh, that's good. It's got 2 fuel pumps on it.
Yeah, only one's hooked up.
Yeah. Got it? It's on. Oh, it went away. Oh, it's on. Oh!
That's not what I wanted to hear.
What?
I didn't want the fuel pump to run.
You didn't want the fuel pump to run?
No, I thought it was bad, so I know what's wrong with it.
Oh. Well, fuel pump not bad. It's a sniper. You know, they overcomplicate something could be simple with a carburetor. And now we got all this electronics. We didn't hook it up, and they cut it, and then...
Start it, man.
Huh?
Reach in and start it.
Start it. Make sure.
Should be. You can double check it.
Double check, he said.
Is there gas or anything? Okay.
Keep cranking it. What do you think?
I wonder if I take this wire off and continue running.
Oh, you can try it. Keep running. Well, the semi is moving, so that means I gotta move because I gotta make sure it don't die out. And if it dies out, we gotta push it out of the road. That seems to be doing pretty good. It's running 40 some. So I say the fuel pump is not bad. Oh, probably the sniper or some interference issue or something. Wait, maybe it is. I jinxed it. Oops. Oops. Oh, the fuel pump got hot and died. Whoop. Well, see, we got it on video. We're doing fine. Don't pay us no mind. Okay, the semi is going backwards down the mountain, so let's try to turn around up here and get it to the gas station. We can get it to the gas station, and we can fetch it with a rollback if need be. The video is full of excitement. This is something that goes on with us, you know, on a daily basis. I go turn around. Well, the semi is a good one again. I guess the fuel pump, fuel relay or whatever's going on cooled back off. So it started back up. Had to jump that relay, feed power to it, that the sniper supposed to kick on. And once it sees that, it's doing it. So that's some troubleshooting we're gonna have to figure out. Now we can see what's going on with it. Well,
this time I'll make sure it's in the
neutral. We're gonna try to start it.
I'm just getting it. Maybe.
You can't start it without the key, Matt.
Oh, yeah.
This was an interesting video. I usually don't get to see us in this thing.
You know, it's weird because the sniper does
Signal it on.
you know.
Yeah.
Quit running, so maybe the pump is going bad. That's probably good. I get pump not too bad.
It tries to prime it. It sends a prime signal to the pump.
Does it? Oh, hang on a second. Let me.
Call under to the pump with your voltmeter.
Well, yeah, I mean the pump runs though. The pump ain't real loud right now.
No.
It's actually really quiet. Now loud and obnoxious that pump normally is. It's not nearly as loud as it normally is.
No.
Let me hit the key, let me know. Try it. I think it's fine.
Yeah, intake pump on this. Probably will fix it. Probably a weak fuel pump. It made it here. Let me know what you think about the Samurai. Is it a cool project? Matt, do a pose for a thumbnail.
Like Robert pose. No.
Pose.
Yeah. Let's get Robert. We already got a guy from Advanced to pose for it. So.
Yeah.
I'm not posing for this.
Okay, he's not too photogenic, are you?
Mm-mm.
No. Anyway, we got the Stinger welded onto the rollback and the bed fixed. We didn't make a video on fixing the bed, but it was broken. This is the old Stinger from the Ford rollback. You can see we welded it all in here. We're going to add a little bit more bracing. It's welded back there. Welded all the way around. Bottom. Top. The bed was cracking through here. We welded that. We cleaned all this the best we can with a torch and some brake clean. Welded that. Beveled the inside crack of this. This is completely broken and plated it over top of it for added strength. Put the bed back to normal. Underneath we welded and built some strips to help just added support. So next on the agenda is T-bar. We got to build that. It's completely broke off this rollback. But this is a nice rollback. Check it out. It's a big boy. It's a big boy toy, ain't it, Matt?
C50.
Yeah. With a 305 in it.
Yep.
Is it 4-speed? 5-speed? Oh God. So, hope you enjoyed this adventure video. We figured we'd make one of it. Going to get the Samurai. We'll figure it out eventually. You just keep tossing money at it in parts and hopefully it fixes it. Check the eBay store out. They have some new inventory parts added. It's in the description below. Drop a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and again, thank you.